How to fix Roblox not loading assets. For today's video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not loading assets. Without further ado, let's get into it. Method 1. Windows File. On your keyboard, press and hold the Windows key, plus the letter R at the same time. Then Run will appear. Copy the file location that I put. Then press Enter and select Notepad to open the file. After that, press Ctrl plus F to search Roblox. If you find one, then make sure to erase that. If you can't find one, then it's all good. Method 2. Roblox Compatibility. On your desktop, tap and right-click the Roblox icon. Then tap Properties, tap the Compatibility tab. Then below, put a check on the Disable Full Screen Optimization and the Run this program as an administrator. Then at the bottom again, tap Apply and OK. Method 3. Cache File. On your keyboard, press and hold the Windows key plus the letter R at the same time. Then type whatlocalapp.% and press Enter. After that, find the Roblox folder, then delete it. Method 4. Browser Cache. On your Chrome, tap the 3 buttons at the upper right side of the Chrome app. Then tap More Browsing Data. After that, make the time range to all time. After that, put a check on the cookies and cache. Then click the Clear Data. Method 5. Microsoft Store. If it still hasn't been fixed, then try to download the game from the Microsoft Store. First, press the Windows key plus R, then type this. After that, find Roblox and uninstall it. Then open Microsoft Store and download the game from there. Method 6. Change DNS. This time, we're going to do it on your phone. Go to your phone settings and tap Wi-Fi. Then tap and hold the Wi-Fi you're connecting to and tap Modify Network. Change the IP settings to static, then change the DNS 8.8.8.8, then for the DNS to 8.8.4.4, then save the changes. Method 7. VPN. The last resort is to change servers. You can download VPNs in the Play Store. The problem might be because of region blocked or server issues. Just choose any VPN in the Play Store and use it. And that's it. That is how to fix Roblox not loading assets.
We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!